Hello students, welcome back to the session of computer. In the previous in the previous video we were doing the topic Windows Explorer and we have studied arranging the different files and folders. In this video we'll continue it and we'll study the techniques that how can we arrange our files and folders. Now let us see the techniques for arranging our files and folders. First one is grouping files or folders. This option helps organize the files and folders by breaking them into different sections such as name, date modified, type, size, tag, ascending, descending order, etc. Now, what this option allows us to do is to break the files and folders into different sections. There are various options or sections which are known as like for example like name. We can just group the files and folders according to the name. We can group files and folders according to the date modified. We can group the files and folders according to their type or size or in ascending or descending order. This is how we can group our files and folders. There are the various options sections. So let us see the steps. First one is right click on the details pane. Select group by option from the list appeared. Select how you want to sort, that is name, date modified, type, size. Okay, select whether you want the content sorted in ascending order or in descending order. So these are the steps that we require to group our files and folders. We'll do it again, but for now, let us understand how can we group our files and folders by name. This option will organize the files and folders in alphabetical order. Suppose one of my file name is Fizz and one of my file name is School and one of my file name is Cat. For example, so it will be arranged that first Cat, then Fizz, then School. This is how your files and folders will be grouped according to the alphabetical order. Now next one is by date modified. It will organize the files and folders according to the modified dates. Suppose one file will be of 6/8. Okay, second file will be of suppose 1/7. Okay, third file will be of your for example 29/6. So it will be arranged in the ascending order of the modified dates, that when it was modified. So 29/6, then 1/7, then 6/8 in the type of modified dates. Now let us again look at the options and the steps that how can we group our files and folders. Our first step is to right click on empty space. Suppose this is your window, you have to you have to click the right mouse button, right click on an empty space, then one dialog box type of thing will appear and there is an option known as group by. Okay, after that, after clicking on group by, there is again one type of list appears and there are certain options that how you want to group your files and folders like name, date modified, etc, etc. Okay, so you have to select one option from this list and then you have to select in ascending or descending order, that how you want that particular file and folders to be grouped, that is in ascending or descending order. These were the steps that how you can arrange or group your files and folders. In the same way, you can choose another option and observe the changes. There are many options here like by type, by size, by name. So you can choose any other option and you can see the changes on your own. Note, if you want to remove the grouping separation in a folder or library, just right click on empty space, point to group by and then click none. If you want that your files and folders, or you don't want your files or folders to be grouped, so what you have to do is you have to remove the grouping from the grouped files or folders. So what you have to do is you have to right click on the empty space, then again when this type of list will appear, then you have to again select the group by option and then here is one option known as none. ओके, सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दैट नन ऑप्शन, तो आपका जो ग्रुप होगा पर्टिकुलर फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स का, इट विल गेट रिमूव्ड. Now our second technique is sorting files and folders. That how can we sort the files and folders? Open any folder that contains files and folders in Windows Explorer. Right click on a blank area and select sort by from shortcut menu. A sub menu appears. Select any one of the options, example name, date, modify, type, size from the sub menu, and also select the ascending or descending order for how you want the window to arrange the files and folders. Basically all the steps are same, just instead of group by you will select sort by. Okay, rest all the steps are same in grouping and sorting files or folders. Clear the checkbox for an item to remove it from the filter. After you filter the list and details view, you can switch to any other view and the filter will persist. Now there are certain checkboxes available, so you have to clear that checkbox and remove it from the filter. Okay, and after you filter that list that is available in the detail view, you can switch to any other view, and then also the filter will be there intact without any change. Let us again see that how we will do this. We'll select any of the folders first of all. Okay, then we have to right click on the blank area, and a list of menu appears, and you have to select sort by from there. See, group by option is also there, sort by option is also there, so you have to just click the sort by option. Then again here one list type of dialog box will appear, and then you have to select the way you want to sort your files and folders, and then you have to select ascending or descending. And if you don't want any sort or any type of sorting, so you can just click on none, in the same way that we were doing in grouping. So this is how you can arrange your files and folders, and these were the techniques of grouping and sorting. Now moving a window. How can you move a window? Now what are the steps of moving a window? Let us see. To move, follow the steps given below. कैसे हम लोग विंडो को मूव कर सकते हैं? क्लिक ऑन द टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ द विंडो, a list appears. Click the move option from the list. Now move the window to the desired location using arrow keys and press enter to finish it. What you have to do is you have to just click on the top left corner. यहाँ पर you have to click this top left corner. A list appears, this type of list appears, and there is an option known as move option. Okay, you have to click on this move option, and then you have to move this window to the desired location. See, there are certain arrows available here, so with the help of these arrow keys you can move your window to the desired location and press enter to finish it. This is how you can move a window. You can also move the window through holding it from the title bar and dragging to the desired location. This was one of the way, and the second way to move the window is by holding that window with the help of your right click and holding it from the title bar. Okay, title bar, it is available here. See, this is the title bar. Okay, this is the title bar, so you can right click here and drag while holding it from the title bar to the desired location. This is the second way how you can move the window. Now next one is resizing a window. How can you resize a particular window? The steps are: click on the top left corner of the window, a list appears. Click the size option from the list. Now resize the window using arrow keys and press enter when you finish. It is same as moving the window, but the option now you have to select a size option. Let us see it again. You will click here on the blank area, then a list appears, then you have to select the option known as size. Then again one your this type of see, this type of sizes will be available here. Okay, arrows will come and you will resize it according to your own desire, and then you will, with the help of these arrow keys, and then you press enter when you finish. Okay, so this is one of the way that you can resize your window. What is the second way to resize the window? You can also resize the window by holding the border with mouse pointer and dragging it to the desired size. suppose this is the window. Here are some pointers, mouse pointers available, so you can just compress it or expand it with the help of your mouse pointer and drag to the desired size that you want. So this is how you can resize a window. Now, our next we will study is exploring pictures. How can we explore different pictures with the help of the Windows Explorer? So let us see how we can just explore the following pictures. We can store and organize digital photos, images and graphic files in picture folder. We are having one folder named as picture folders, and we can store there our photos and images and various GIF type of files there. So how can you just do this? To open this folder, follow the given steps given below. Okay, how can you open this folder? Click the start button, select the pictures option from the right pane. Picture folder will open. Click on a picture to select it and double click on it to preview. We get various buttons at the bottom of the picture that helps us to manage and change the view of the pictures. There are various buttons on the bar above the thumbnails that providing different functions. Now let us see how. First you have to go on start menu here. Okay, as soon as you will go on start menu, on the right pane, यहाँ पर तो आपका ये आपका accessories and all programs type का आएगा. On the right here you will get an option known as pictures. You have to click on that option. A dialog box appears. Okay, and here there are different thumbnails of the pictures, and you can just double click on the picture to open it, to preview it basically. And by right clicking it, you can get the various options of the functionalities that you can perform on that pictures. So this is how you can explore the pictures using Windows Explorer. Okay students, in this part of the video this is it. We will cover the next topic from the next video. Thank you so much.